Hello guys, I'm Incase to tell you in this tutorials how to go for your Gmail recovery in case someone who has installed in your Gmail ID, someone who has changed the password. Now you don't have access to recovery email and recovery phone number and recovery password. What is the easy way to recover it? Or once again, how do you rescue of it? This strategy can be applied when also someone who has hijacked your Gmail ID, someone who has hacked your Gmail ID. Now you don't have access to either it is your device or anything because you have lost your device also. Either it is old one, Gmail and new ones. In a situation, of course, by this strategy, you can rescue off your Gmail. So let's learn why not by alternative way. Via providing substance information in a Google database server, of course, quickly we can recover it. How it is possible, we will see live here. This idea has been recommended by one of my viewer. So let's see now. We are in accounts recovery phase, and of course we will go for try another way because we don't have a password. If we don't have the password, it means we don't have also actually phone now. So here we don't have, just we will tap again and again everything. So now it's a thing that I did not provide enough information on this situation. We will have to make it. Now the answer as many questions as you can is use a device where you have the sign in the form. So these kind of the things, of course, we will have to replace them, but we don't have this kind of the things also. So more tips to the recover, we will get an opportunity. Yes, how it is possible. Don't click on a try again, in my opinion. Here, so otherwise. If we do multiple times with the guys, then another platform will be open, so thereby difference your emails. You will have to provide identity and proof on the basis of Google will endorse to other justify that this account is your or not. But total estimated times can be expected more than 48 hours. So you cannot wait much more time. Then of course they come on here on this. Now second options that of course we will come in the Play Store. In the Play Store we have the one browser, that is the private browser. Of course we will go for install it. Let's see. So it has just started to install, but we will have to some instructions. So let's hold the Google especially browser and the phone we will come on this, and we will have to block the notification, guys. So any kind of activities will happen, Google will not monitor. So let's see. Yes, I had. Now will come the permission. The permission, what we will have to do, guys, here we will have to come the locations. So locations too, of course, make the precise location disable and upon click on it, especially don't allow anyway. So it's essential that device may no longer function as intended. No problem at all for time being. I'm doing it. Just we will cut it from here. One thing more, that we have another browser, that is a Chrome. Chrome is also product of Google. Yes, we know that. Then of course we will click on a notification. In notification we will have to make it a block. And the of course we will come here in the permission of course we will have to navigate the location. So remove this space, we will come in here and the make it precise location disable. We will click on here, click no longer function as intended. Of course we will go for here and we will back one more time, and here we can check it out in the browser app. So we have a browser files. Now we will get it from here and the of course we'll open this. Yes, right browser. Now see what will happen here, guys. Similar strategies we will have to execute and we will get an further opportunity, and then see what will happen, guys, here. So just we will go for here, continue, and here the browser, just we will have to write Google yes, according to your especially search engine, we will have to pick that coin we have gotten. So now here just we will click on a sign in here, and if I tap here sign in, what will happen, guys, here? See, directly we come here, and now what we will have to, just we will have to write this particular Gmail ID. So let's learn here. Yes, we will go for here. Right here. Now we will go for here. See, guys, just we will have to type here next, and what will happen here? Now we have to do just forgot password. We don't have. What will happen, guys, here? Just to try another way, similar strategy we will have to apply. You have to do nothing, guys, just to go for protocol according to that, and if you miss this opportunity, then you miss to recover. So now here the more tips to the recovery your accounts I have already mentioned to you. Here also we will not click here. If it's coming more tips to the recover, then you have to go for try again not. Why truth? Because Google will track easily that you are trying to recover the particular ID that doesn't belong to you. Yes, that's why by a different browser you are trying to, otherwise you had to use the Google browser, Google Chrome browser. So here, just we will cut it here, otherwise it would be a freeze for timing. So now what's next? Yes, we'll tab in a setting, guys. Now you have to do nothing, just we will have to explain your actual problem. We will pick the Google service. In the Google service, of course, we will get all kind of options there, especially opportunity to explain and the selection of the issues. So just now, concern in, just we will tab in on here. And what will happen here? Yes, you think someone else is using. So now better option we have the go-ins. Now much more better we will have to fix this one. So secure your accounts. We would like to secure my accounts. Yes, review your activities, and here just to find out if your account has been hacked. Now just we will here. Yes, we will pick this account recovery page after selections, and what will happen, guys? Now we have this opportunity in that account recovery, and here we will have to pick this. Yes, ID that we would like to recover as files. Now we will here what we will do, guys, simply just we will have to tap on a next and see what will happen. Now see, guys, here what's the saying here? We have two options. Do you want DuckDuckGo to the save of anything? Now no, we don't want to. Now see, just we will go for never the side of this, just to click on never the ask option this, and we are on here. What the magic happens here? Just simply here, don't mistakes stupid things. Don't go for click on a continue, otherwise of course then this would be once again trap in verify you. Google is asking that you will have to trap in there, it's verify you, and there of course you will have to confirmations via OTP, recovery emails, or the recovery phone number. So you don't have any hacker, anyone who has actually changed, then everything has been changed. You don't have access of anything. So then they will easily get that. Of course, what you are trying to do. So just we will click the change the password, and here what will happen? Here I will have the strong opportunity to create. Now what do you see, guys, here? Yes, so we have the strong opportunity to create the strong password here, and this password won't be repeated. Happens once again anyone who will hacks. Now see, guys, in this thing. So yeah, what we will have to do now? Here we have to create a strong password, and then go in a security center, add there smartly recovery email and recovery phone number, so that this kind of incident won't be happen or repeated again, guys. So this is all about, because right now we cannot create here the password, because this is a live screen record, and if we do that, this would be in a public domain, then easily you will recover that this side. So this is only for institution purpose, so don't misuse it, guys. And of course it is informative and knowledgeable, and say these tutorials may be beneficial for someone who is facing this kind of the challenge, yes, in information technology area. So this is all about, guys. Thank you for watching Technology Welfare. Have a great time. Bye bye. Thank you very much indeed.